Have you ever pondered how much you truly know about cows? You might be surprised to learn that these gentle giants have a memory span of up to 5 years. That's right, they're not just your everyday farm animals. They're complex creatures with a touch of mystery and a whole lot of interesting facts. This video is your one-stop shop for all things bovine. We'll delve into the biology of cows, exploring what makes them tick, from their 4-chambered stomachs to their incredible sense of smell. We'll also examine their impact on the environment, both the good and the not so good. And of course, we'll investigate the role they play in society, past, present, and future. Whether you're a farmer, an animal lover, or just someone curious about the world around you, there's something for everyone in this exploration of our four-legged friends. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we dive into the fascinating world of cows. Cows, like us humans, are mammals. But what other biological characteristics do they possess? Let's delve into the fascinating biology of these gentle giants. Cows are large, robust creatures, often weighing in at an impressive 1,000 to 2,000 pounds. Their skin is covered in short hair, varying in colors from black, white, brown, or a mix thereof. But what's truly fascinating is the cow's digestive system. Cows are ruminants, meaning they have a highly specialized 4-chambered stomach designed to extract nutrients from plants. This enables them to thrive on diets that would be indigestible to other animals, breaking down complex plant materials like grasses and grains. They first chew and swallow their food, which is then partially digested in the first stomach chamber, known as the rumen. The food is then regurgitated as cud and chewed again to further break it down. This process is repeated across the 4 stomach chambers, allowing cows to extract maximum nutrition from their food. Now, let's talk about their senses. Cows have an excellent sense of smell, capable of detecting scents up to 6 miles away. They also have a wide field of vision thanks to their laterally placed eyes. However, their color vision is limited, mostly seeing in shades of gray. As for their lifespan, cows typically live for around 20 years, although some have been known to live longer, depending on their environment and care. In terms of distinguishing between bulls, cows, and calves, it's relatively straightforward. Bulls are the male of the species, known for their larger size and more muscular build. Cows are the females, identifiable by their udders, which produce milk after they've given birth to a calf. Calves, on the other hand, are the young ones, typically under a year old. Cows' unique biology makes them perfectly suited to their role in our ecosystem. Their ability to convert grass, which we humans can't eat, into milk and meat, which we can, positions them as a vital link in our food chain. Understanding their biology helps us appreciate their role and importance even more. Cows don't just exist in a vacuum. They interact with and influence their environment in various ways. Let's amble through the fields of this topic, shall we? Cows, like any other living beings, have an ecological footprint, and it's not a small one. For instance, they're significant contributors to greenhouse gases, particularly methane. This happens because cows are ruminants, meaning they have a unique digestive system that allows them to break down plant materials through fermentation. But this process also produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas that's over 20 times more effective at trapping heat in our atmosphere than carbon dioxide. On top of that, the global demand for beef has led to extensive land use for cattle grazing and feed production. This often involves deforestation, which not only destroys habitats but also releases stored carbon dioxide, further exacerbating climate change. But wait, before we brand cows as environmental villains, let's not forget their positive impacts. Cows play a vital role in maintaining grasslands, which are key ecosystems that support a rich diversity of life. By grazing, cows help control the growth of plants, preventing them from becoming too dominant and allowing a wider variety of species to flourish. Moreover, cow dung, as unappealing as it may sound, is a natural fertilizer. It enriches the soil with nutrients, promoting plant growth and maintaining the health of the land. Cow dung also serves as a habitat for many insects, contributing to biodiversity. And let's not forget that cows, like all livestock, can be a source of renewable energy. The methane produced by their digestion can be captured and used to generate electricity and heat, turning a potential pollutant into a useful resource. In conclusion, cows have a complex relationship with the environment. Their influence is far-reaching, with both negative and positive impacts. It's up to us to manage this relationship wisely, balancing the need for livestock products with the health of our planet. Cows certainly leave their hoof prints on our planet, for better or worse. Cows have been domesticated for thousands of years, But what role do they play in our society today? You might be surprised to learn that the humble cow plays a multitude of roles, going well beyond the farm. Economically, cows are a powerhouse. They provide us with a plethora of products that we use daily, like milk, which is transformed into a wide array of dairy products, from butter and cheese to ice cream and yogurt. Then there's the meat. Beef is a staple in many diets around the globe, offering a rich source of protein. And it's not just about the steaks and burgers. Every part of the cow is used, reducing waste and contributing to a more sustainable food system. But the economic influence of cows doesn't stop at food. Have you ever considered how many everyday items are made from cowhide? It's not just about leather jackets and cowboy boots. Furniture, book bindings, and even some types of wallpaper are crafted from this versatile material. Now let's shift gears and look at the cultural significance of cows. In many societies, cows hold a deeply symbolic place. In Hinduism, for example, cows are revered as symbols of life and earth. They are respected and protected, embodying non-violence, strength, and abundance. In other cultures, cows play a central role in rituals and traditions. In Switzerland, the annual cow parades, known as Alpabzug, mark the end of summer, with beautifully adorned cows descending from the mountain pastures. In Spain, the famous Running of the Bulls is an adrenaline-fueled event steeped in centuries-old tradition. So, from our breakfast tables to our fashion choices, from religious rituals to traditional festivities, cows are intertwined with our lives in ways we might not even realize. They contribute to our economies, enrich our cultures, and even shape our landscapes. Whether as a source of sustenance or a symbol of reverence, cows have a significant place in human society. They are a testament to the complex and fascinating relationship between humans and animals, a relationship that continues to evolve and shape our world. As we look toward the future, what does it hold for our bovine friends? In the coming years, our cows will face both challenges and opportunities. Climate change is a serious threat to cow populations worldwide, particularly in regions where severe weather events and temperature extremes are becoming more common. Droughts, floods, and heat waves can all have a devastating impact on cows' ability to survive and thrive. On the other hand, advancements in technology offer new opportunities for improving the health and well-being of these creatures. Precision farming technologies, for instance, can help farmers monitor the health of their herds in real time, allowing them to intervene quickly when a cow is sick or stressed. Innovations in sustainable farming practices also hold promise for reducing the environmental impact of cattle farming, making it more sustainable for the long term. Societal changes, too, will play a major role in shaping the future of cows. As the world becomes more aware of animal welfare issues, there's a growing demand for more humane farming practices. This could lead to better living conditions for cows, with more access to open pastures and less time spent in confined feedlots. In the end, the future of cows is not just about cows, it's about us too. How we manage our resources, how we treat our animals, and how we adapt to a changing world. The future of cows is inextricably linked with the future of our planet and our society. So, what have we learned about cows today? From our journey into the biology of cows, we've discovered that these creatures are far more than meets the eye. Their four-chambered stomachs, unique digestive system, and remarkable ability to convert grass into energy all contribute to their position as one of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. We've also delved into the environmental impact of cows, discussing their role in maintaining biodiversity, producing natural fertilizers, and even their contribution to climate change. It's undeniable that these gentle giants have a significant footprint on our world, both positively and negatively. Moving on, we've explored how cows have been entwined with human society for thousands of years. From agriculture to religion, from art to economy, cows have been central to our development as a species. They've provided us with food, labor, and even companionship. Lastly, we've looked into the future of cows, contemplating their evolving role in our society. With advancements in technology and changes in our dietary habits, the relationship between humans and cows is transforming, setting the stage for new possibilities and challenges. Cows are indeed amazing creatures, and it's clear that they play a vital role in our world.